hi, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I have a little confession to make. I hate oatmeal. I never, ever liked it. Never. So Maddie has...
I love oatmeal.
Maddie does love oatmeal. She has enticed me to give overnight oats a try. So I'm going to give it a shot. I mean, I might still hate it, but at least I'm going to give it a try, right?
At least you're trying.
I can be open-minded. So we're both going to make our own overnight oats. Wouldn't it be fun if we switched, but we're not going to do that.
No.
So I am going to put what I want in mine. And I got this Red Tractor oats. This is actually from Australia. This was my mom's favorite oatmeal. She would always say, daughter, are you going to TJ Maxx? See if they have the Red Tractor oats. So these are really cool. They have regular oats, and then they have the ones with the flax flakes in here. So if you know anything about oatmeal, it's a little bit high in omega-6, I believe. So you don't want your omega-6 and omega-3 to be out of balance. So the flax is higher in the omega-3. So that balances out your two fats there, your two omegas.
Wonderful.
So yeah, we're gonna do a half a cup of these, I guess. It's cool because it already has the right proportion of flax in there to oatmeal.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people also use chia.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What are you calling your overnight oats mixture?
I'm calling it, I hope I like this, because if I don't, I'm never having it again.
With apple.
With apple, yeah. All right, so I cut up a whole, I guess this is like a Cosmic Crisp.
Okay.
And, yeah, I like apple. I didn't used to like apple as much as I do now, but I really enjoy a nice crisp apple in the afternoon, especially with the sunflower butter that I got.
Yum.
All right, so I'm putting my apple on the bottom because I want to make sure that it's covered with the liquid so it doesn't turn a gross brown color and make me really hate this. All right, so we got the apple there. I guess we're going to put the oats on top of that. It's roughly a half cup.
Mm-hmm.
I guess we're going to do we do a cup of milk? Do we double it?
I don't know. I think you just
Did everyone get to double?
do your own thing.
Well, I guess I'm going to do a cup.
I usually just eyeball when I make my oatmeal in the morning because I don't do the overnight.
All right, well, this is tricky. Whee!
Yeah, that cup's a little bit broken.
Yeah. This is the not milk, so this is a pea protein milk. It's pretty convincing, I have to say. I use this in my coffee, and it's just like whole milk. It's crazy. Then I'm going to put some walnuts, because like apple walnut, right? Waldorf salad.
Yeah.
I do love a Waldorf salad. I'm just going to do a little handful of nuts. Not too much. It's probably like 2 tablespoons. 2 hefty tablespoons. And, I'm going to put in a little bit of maple syrup. Just a little bit, because I only have a little bit. So I have to go to Sam's Club and get another one of these. This is like 1 tablespoon. 1 hefty tablespoon. And then I'm going to do my chocolate sunflower butter.
So good.
They had these marked down at BJ's. And I have to say, how many did I buy? Like
You
10?
bought a lot.
I bought 10. So like 5 double packs, or maybe 6 double packs. So what's that, like a tablespoon and a half?
Sure.
All right. This looks amazing.
Mm.
I hope it doesn't suck.
I think it's going to be good.
The best part, I get to lick this. Mmm. Do I have brown lipstick?
No.
No.
Maybe a little bit, but not on camera.
All right. Well, I'm going to put the cover on this and put it in the fridge.
Are you not going to mix it?
Are you supposed to mix it?
I don't know. feel like it would make sense to mix it, wouldn't
Maybe
it?
I'll shake it.
Okay.
All right, so Maddie will be back with hers. All right, the queen is ready to build her oatmeal
I
jar.
don't know about the queen, but
All right.
I don't know if you knew this, but I'm so into oatmeal. And, like, I go in and out of it. Like, sometimes I'm like, bleh, but lately I've been so into it.
Really?
If I don't have it for breakfast, I'll go back and have it for dinner.
Oh.
I just love it. Okay, so
Yeah, I don't like it at all.
if you guys have been watching a lot of our vegan videos, like our What I Ate, you'll know that, like, my go-to oatmeal is peanut butter and blueberries, sometimes
Right.
strawberries. I never put banana in my oatmeal, but
Okay.
I'm doing it here because I think it's going to be good. This overnight oats is actually very similar to what I would put in my favorite
Whoa, you
smoothie.
almost lost that one.
I know. My favorite smoothie
Whoa! We gotta run away.
is peanut butter banana. So I'm going to do that in oatmeal form now. So I chopped up...
Oh, you're really messing up.
Maybe half of the banana will make it into the jar. We're having fun, though.
What is this called?
It's called my smoothie... Favorite smoothie oatmeal version. Okay. Well, anyway, so this is a cup, right?
This is a cup.
Okay, so half of this.
Yeah.
So I put in my banana. I'm putting in my oats. That's about half.
Yeah. Those oats are supposed to be extremely creamy.
Yeah, so I tried these as just like the regular way that I prepare my oatmeal in the morning. I was not a fan of the texture of this one.
Really?
I like the rolled oats.
Texture?
Yeah.
So you like more of a chewy.
Yes.
All right.
I don't like the smooth. Like, it freaks me out.
See, Granny liked
I know.
the smooth.
But I'm hoping that this is going to be good.
I hope
in the
so.
overnight form.
All right.
I'm going to put my not milk.
Right. You're just going to eyeball it?
I don't know. I don't usually make it like this.
No, boy.
Tell me when.
I guess.
Maybe there? Just like enough to almost cover?
I guess.
I don't know. Okay. We'll go with that.
That's okay.
Who knows? Okay.
We'll know tomorrow.
I'm not good at measuring things like that.
Are you going to be eating yours hot or cold?
I guess cold.
Really?
I think. Isn't that how you do it? Isn't it supposed to be cold?
It can be either.
Oh. I'm going to put the slightest bit of maple syrup, which I don't usually do this, but...
That's about a teaspoon and a half.
Okay. I told you, just a slight,
sure.
tiny bit. I'm going to do the peanut
Just
butter
for a little
last.
extra sweetness, because like banana has like a lot of sweetness to it. And you're going to be doing chocolate chips,
I'm being
right?
a bad girl.
Those aren't just chips, by the way. Those are chunks.
I'm going to dig for the chips on the bottom, because the chunks are too big for this.
Yeah, but if you serve it up hot,
Mm.
it will melt a little bit.
Just a couple of chippies.
That's it?
No, I'm putting a few more. Relax. Just a few. This is breakfast, lady.
Yeah.
So I'm not trying to, like, have dessert. This
All
is
right.
breakfast.
Remember when we used to have breakfast pastries for
we
breakfast?
used to have waffles with ice cream on it on Sundays.
Yeah.
I was telling my fiance about that the other day. He was like, what?
Oh, you're going for the waffles? For the
I'm going to put a few walnuts because I've been...
walnuts. So, you have me calling those waffles.
I know. I never used to be into walnuts, but I could do a few.
They're really good for you.
They're great for you, and they're pretty tasty, too.
They're probably the best nut for you.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I've heard.
Mm-hmm. Even over almonds?
Absolutely.
Wow.
They have more antioxidants.
Okay. I believe that.
Yeah.
And then
Oh, peanut butter.
my favorite part.
Oh,
Okay, so I'm going to put a nice...
yeah, that's
amount of
about
peanut
2.5 tablespoons.
Oh, shoot, really?
Yeah.
I put a lot of peanut butter in my oatmeal then. Oh, man. So I'm going to mix mine
Okay.
a little bit.
I'm not.
And hopefully this is going to be delicious tomorrow.
All right. Well, here's mine. I'm gonna have mine hot tomorrow.
Okay. We'll see how it goes in the morning.
Because I don't think I want the cold apples. I want warm, like apple pie.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
know?
Sounds good to me.
I don't know what you're going to do. We'll see. I guess
It's
we'll
gonna
have
be
to wait and see.
It's going to be a game day decision.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is game day.
All right. Well, good luck to you.
Thanks. I got to get all this peanut butter off the spoon.
Yeah. You might have to lick it.
Not after it's been in here.
Oh. All right. So next morning, can you tell I haven't had my glam team yet?
Your glam team of you?
Exactly. So this is mine from yesterday. Oh, it got hard.
Mm.
Look at that. It's like a cat turd in there.
No, ew. Why would you say that? It reminds me of one of those, like, energy balls.
Yeah. Like a fruze ball or like one of those ones, Julie from Real Housewives of the UK there.
You mean Ladies of London?
Ladies of London, right. So this got quite thick. So I'm going to try and scrape it out of here as best I can.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
I've already gotten offers for my husband to eat this.
I had a feeling he would be taking over.
I'm going to try it. Honestly, I really hate oatmeal.
Mm-hmm.
I have a bad history with oatmeal where I hated it as a kid and I was forced to eat it. We won't go there because it's very triggering. Sorry if you've got food issues like I do. But it doesn't do it for me.
Yeah.
So I will try it though.
Okay.
All right, that's mine. Try to do my best to get it all out of there. Now we're gonna de-jar Maddie's. Hers is a lot thicker. If you remember, she didn't want to use as much milk as I did.
I didn't realize I wasn't using that much.
No. Oof. Can you do the blizzard test? Yup.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
not
a
putting
blizzard,
it over
baby.
my head though. All right, so let's dig in there. You also have less fruit than mine, I feel
Well,
like.
I have a whole banana in there.
Yeah, but I think in volume, like my apple was probably more.
Could be.
But it's probably like the same amount of sugar, I would say.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
That
Maybe.
doesn't sound attractive. Oh.
Okay.
All right, that's not too bad.
I'm into it. So I decided I am going to be heating mine as well because...
You don't want to taste it cold and then taste it hot?
No.
Okay.
It's just kind of like chilly today, so I don't really feel like having a cold breakfast.
Right.
But in the summer, I would probably not heat it.
Yeah.
I think that would be
That might
nice
be
and
nice
refreshing.
in the summer.
Yeah.
It's almost like a smoothie bowl type situation.
But for today, it's kind of raw out, so...
Boy, I really slapped this up.
Yeah, you did. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Dog's dinner.
All right, I'm going to heat these up and then we'll be back.
All right, heat it up.
My husband requested only 30 seconds, which I don't think is long enough, but give it a try.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I want
Mix it up a little bit.
Yeah, mix it up a little bit, right?
Yeah, of course.
That's not even melty. Let me slap it up.
Come on, lady.
All right, well, I'll leave that to him, but I'll make sure I'll get a little bit of everything here. What do you think you're doing, Pooh Bear? Well, I really don't like it.
Don't lie. Tell us if you don't like it.
I mean, it's okay, but I wouldn't crave it, you know?
Yeah.
I would have it again, though.
Okay. Well,
But-
that's good that you said you'd have it again.
Yeah, you know what, though? I think I would like it completely hot,
Yeah.
because I want the apples cooked.
Okay.
Or maybe what I would do is cook the apples before I put it in.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I could see this as a summer breakfast,
Yeah. Cold.
cold, but
Okay.
not a winter breakfast.
Okay. That's
But
fair.
it's, let me try a little more. You know what doesn't hurt?
That spread.
That spread helps it go down easy.
She's talking about this one.
Mhm.
So good.
Really good. All right, let's see what Maddie thinks of hers.
Okay.
All right, girl.
Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous because I don't usually like this like mushy
Ooh.
texture.
The
Chocolate.
chocolate's all melty.
Ooh.
Mmm.
I like to like have the big pieces of oats. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I don't know if this is going to agree with me texturally.
See, now I really like the texture of that better than...
Really?
Yeah, I don't like the big pieces of oats.
Really?
I like it creamy like a pudding.
I mean, it smells good.
You know what? I'm definitely going to be getting that again.
Oh.
My mom was right. I hate to say it, but it's true. Granny, you were right. That is the best oatmeal.
In your opinion.
In my opinion.
Okay, let's see. Okay.
It's good, right?
I like the taste. I'm not super into the texture.
Right.
But I'm curious what it would be like with the oatmeal that I usually use, which is just like the Quaker Oats, rolled oats.
Yeah.
But it's
I
creamy.
do really like that Australian oats. The Australian oats. They're really good.
I like the mix of ingredients that I put together.
Yeah. You got Chunky Monkey, and I got Apple Farm Paradise.
Yeah. So I am going to enjoy that for sure.
Well, my husband's going to have this morning because he already asked me for it.
Ooh, I just got the little hint of walnut.
Right? It's nice.
Yeah.
But I'm going to have, I think I'm
Not
going to
this.
have red lentil chili for breakfast because I want something hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this. And
I did. Surprisingly.
I think it's good. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm
gonna do it again this weekend, I think, but I'm gonna do it completely hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, we'll see you next time, and until then, much love.